about 6:30, 7 now in the morning, and it's another bloody miserable day. Blimey O'Reilly, what a naff end to the bloody 6 months, eh? Right, it's the final morning. We're off the island. I can't believe it. I just shared out my window. It's my beautiful Skye, and it is absolutely piddling down. And we've got to get the ferry over there at Broddick in about an hour and a half's time. I'm just going to pop down to the Arran haulage, get 2 new 13k bottles because they're nice and cheap on the island. That'll set me up for the next year, 2 13ks. And they're only £41 a bottle, which is really cheap. So I'll fill those up. That'll do me for the next 12 months. And we'll get rocking onto the mainland, way over there onto Scotland and heading down south towards Birmingham. Right, let's get on with this journey. Let's get on that ferry and just get sorted. Well, we won't see no dolphins or whales on the ferry today. Well, that's for sure, because it's piddling down. Oh dear. Never mind. Let's go. Here we go. 2 new 13Ks. That should last me about 10 months. Right, let's crack on to the ferry, Skye. Piddling down the rain. Let's go. Here we are, guys, ready to go. About half an hour before the ferry goes. That was my camp over there under the castle last night. Our last footsteps on the Isle of Arran after 6 long months. Well, over 6 months. 210 days. Beautiful Isle of Arran. We're leaving it in the clouds. Right, let's get on the ferry. Right, we're in the queue. It's amazing. The chap in the booth back there, lovely jubbly, who checked my tickets, just turn that camera around. Yeah, the chap in the booth can't believe it. He says, "Oh, Stephen and Skye, oh, we love watching all your videos on our island." The chap in the booth, this is. He says that him and his dad watch every single one of my videos. How amazing, eh? Get a nice send off on the island for my lovely followers. I didn't catch your name. We shook hands and had a bit of a chat, but lovely jubbly. They watch all my videos. How amazing is that, eh? That's brought a smile to my face. Even the ferryman watches my channel. Lovely Skye, eh? Right, we'll be on the ferry soon. I think this is all quite new, this ferry terminal at Broddick. All the walkway there. Out to the boats out there. No sign of the ferry yet. Should be coming in soon. It's Christine queued up. It's amazing, the ferry chap in the booth recognised me. Watches all my videos. Lovely, eh? Right, just wait for the ferry now. Lovely. My final footsteps on the Isle station. Might bleed there. My final footsteps on the beautiful Isle of Arran. Well, I'll be back one day. House G be back, and I will. It's starting to brighten up a little bit, getting a bit windy and breezy and cool. It's a bit chilly. Still chilly, bloody July, bloody bonkers, eh? Right, we'll get back in Christine with Skye. Lovely jubbly. Here comes my ferry. Oh, look at that for a beautiful view, folks. What a beautiful island, eh? Let's get a bit closer and watch her coming into dock. HMS Isle of Arran, Caledonia and McBrien. I think she can front load or rear load. I think she's coming in backwards. And there's my camp there at the back of the ferry under the castle where we was last night. The jacuzzi, the famous jacuzzi, everybody calls it now. It's really sad leaving the island. All the lovely friends I've made on the island as well, all the locals. Here she is coming into the dock. Oh, I've got a wee tear in my eye leaving this island. The sun's starting to come out for us. There she is, reversing in. Right, we'll get back to Christine. We'll get on this ferry. Lovely Isle of Arran. Wow. Goodbye, GoFell. Goodbye, the Isle of Arran. Let's get inside Christine.
Our Dawson is now ready for boarding. Could all passengers please make their way on board the vessel now via the departure gate.
Here we go. Onto the ferry. Onto the ferry, guys. Off the island. Here we go. We are now on the ferry. Where are we going, guys? Where do you want me? Lovely jubbly. Goodbye, Isle of Arran. Right, we'll turn the engine off. We'll go up deck. Hey, Skye. Lovely jubbly. Catch you later. You ready, Skye? Hey, hello, Rich. Okay, right, got my wallet, got my keys. Let's go upstairs. I'm certainly packing in, there must be 30, 40 vehicles, plus lorries. Look at this lorry here. That looks like Nucky, Helen. Lovely artwork on that lorry. Wow. Nucky Bear, roaming in Raymond. That's a pretty cool truck, that is. Skye.
Skye! Skye! I'm a darling! Yeah! Ooh, is that nice? Yes, darling! Ooh!
Come.
Oh, she's lovely! Yes, Skye!
Here we go, guys, leaving.
Nice company!
She's lovely.
What a nice trip! What a nice trip! Yeah, you did, no? Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Here we go, guys, leaving the lovely Isle of Arran.
For you, must admit. Anyway, I'll let you
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye, Skye.
The beautiful Isle of Arran. All you lovely folks I've met on the island. Wow. Away we go. Can't believe it. Over 6 months on this beautiful island. Yeah, I think I've got a tear in my eye. Hey, Stevie back. Right, we'll settle into the journey. It's about an hour across to Adress on the mainland in air. Goodbye, GoFell. And the jacuzzi just over there. One of my favourite base camps. Oh dear. are coming into Adress on the mainland, and it is absolutely freezing. You know, it's colder now than when I came over 6 months ago, mid-December. Bloody July, it's bonkers. It is bloody freezing, folks. That wind is bitter. It's bloody July. To the car.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave.
It's Christine. Let's get inside.
Here we go. Off the ferry. Back on the mainland. Back on the mainland UK. Right. Right, only seems like 5 minutes. I've sat over there waiting to come on. Adress. Here in here. Right. Catch you later.
Yeah, we are truly lost in Galloway. Lovely jubbly. Making my ways down south. Bloody hell, it is cold out there. It's starting to rain now as well. Oh, bloody winter it is. Bloody awful. Right, so that's the end of the Arran Series 9, Season Series 9 on Country Van Life UK. Thanks very much, guys, for everybody that contributed to that series. Absolute, you lot are bloody diamonds. You really are. You're amazing. You make my life, my van life, my YouTube. You make everything work for me, guys. You really do. And I really couldn't do it without all of you. So there you go. That's the end of the Arran series. So there's 90 odd videos in the series, over 120,000 views. So if you want to catch up on the series, just look at my playlist. And we'll rock on to the next series. Got to get some stuff sorted out with Christine, as you know. But I will be still be doing videos, guys, even though we're not on a series season. We'll still be doing videos for the next months with the van fix and everything. We've got to get air suspension, my clutch done, the MOT done, visiting my children. So I'll keep the videos coming out wherever I am. I may park up in Galloway on the way through, and we'll start just the normal vlogging series then, the summer series kind of thing, before the next winter series starts. But we've got the summer to go through. Not long now, eh? Probably another 10 weeks or something, and it's all over again. Back into the winter, eh? But we're here in my lovely Galloway. We're lost in the Galloway forest. Not seen a car, not seen a single car on this road. God knows where I am. I don't know this track at all. I've never been on this one in Galloway. But look at my last Galloway series from last winter. Have a look at the Arran series just gone. Lovely jubbly. And we'll catch you on the next vlog, eh? We'll get the Sundays rocking and rolling as well, Sunday live. So lovely jubbly. Oh, Arran, what a beautiful lot. All I can say is look at the playlist, folks. Look at the playlist and some of the epic adventures we've had in Christine and you guys on the lovely Isle of Arran. Thank you, Scotland. You're amazing. Haste ye be back. And I certainly will be. Right, on to the next adventure, eh? Lovely jubbly. Thanks, guys. Love you all. Big hugs. And stay cosy. Ta-ra.